Here are the names of some fruits and vegetables. So these are the words we are going to learn. First we will learn les fruits, the fruits. Une mangue, which is a mango. Une mangue. Une pomme, it is an apple. Une orange, an orange. Une pêche, a peach. Une fraise, which is a strawberry. So once again, une mangue is mango. Une pomme, pomme is the apple. Une orange, so it is the same in French as well. The pronunciation alone varies. Orange. The next one is une pêche, a peach. And the last one is une fraise, which is strawberry. Une fraise. So I hope you learnt these words. These are the names of some fruits. Les fruits. Next, moving on to les légumes, which is the vegetables. Les légumes. So the first one is une tomate. So you must have guessed, yes, it is the tomato. Une tomate. The next one is des épinards. Des épinards. It is spinach. So if you notice the article for tomate, it is une tomate because this is countable. However, épinard, spinach, you can't say une épinard. It has to be des. It cannot be singular. So des épinards. The next one, an onion. An onion. It is the onion. The next one is une pomme de terre. Une pomme de terre. It is the potato. Une pomme de terre. The next one, une carotte. It is the carrot. Une carotte. And finally, un radis. It is the radish. Un radis. So once again, can we say the names of the fruits and the vegetables? Les fruits, une mangue, mango. Une pomme, apple. Une orange, orange. Une pêche, peach. Une fraise, strawberry. Then les légumes, the vegetables. Une tomate, tomato. Des épinards, spinach. Un onion, onion. Une pomme de terre, potato. Une carotte, carrot. And finally, un radis, the radish. So you can improve your vocabulary by trying to find the names of the other fruits and vegetables that we use. Here I have given you just 5 or 6 examples, but you can always use a dictionary to find the names of the fruits and vegetables that we use. So the more words you learn, you will be able to use them in sentences whenever required.